stopped. The lightning stopped.
Why?
Last strikes were at the chain of islands on the other side of the planet.
The other side of the planet? Because he ended to activate all of the planets, you know? Oh! Yes, you are feeling that. No. It woke up also things which were under the ground and you're gonna see them getting out. Other machines? That's great. Oh, you're there.
You attacked some of my people here today. When you undermine my team's authority, you put everybody here in danger, including your own crew. Is that a threat?
Yes.
I'm just making sure you understand the situation.
I think that he knows also what kind of man he has in front of him.
The truth is, you did get hard when you smoked that guy in front of everybody. And you can't wait to do it again.
I think so also.
But from one killer to another, you don't want to try that shit with my people. Someday I think you and I are going to end up bloody.
You are gonna end up dead. It's really a Western atmosphere between them. Right now they are meeting in the saloon, you know. I'm a fan of Ennio Morricone music.
But if people vote in Nancy Gao, they'll be inviting in others.
I know.
My friends have been doing quite a bit of digging into Nancy Gao.
Top of the class, blah, blah, blah.
I want a meme of that.
Nancy Gao was accepted into the apprentice lottery on her first try.
And?
1 week after she applied.
Oh, yes.
We found
Some
a
people
golden
helped
attachment
her.
application from former Secretary of Education Javed.
Why? Who is he for her?
Just jump the line, leak it, discreetly. The media will uncover the rest.
I'm not liking that. I'm gonna let that door open. What is it? A weapon? What is it? I don't get it. I'm trying to translate that in French. What now? It's not dead anymore. Who is he? Be careful, Draper. Yes, they are taking those things with them. It's a belter. Why and how is he here? Oh, be careful, what are you gonna do?
It's about time.
I don't like him. It's gonna be always a bad time for you. Oh, I don't like this position. I mean, not because of what you think, but because of the fact that he's, you know, in superiority in a kind of way.
I don't want any more violence.
Are we sure of that?
It's the truth and peaceful resolution. I sense you feel the same way.
But you want that under your conditions.
You can't help us, and now you want us to help you, like you were with the man you shot.
Belters, you always play the victim.
Oh! Be careful with what you are saying about the belters.
You think our lives are disposable for your own gains?
Your lives. I had 23 of mine in the ground before they even set foot on.
Okay.
You the right to play judge, jury, and executioner.
Yes! And you don't know if they did it or not. Naomi, calm down. You can't. No, Naomi.
Guys, do you see this?
Something is moving?
Should be on top of it.
What is it? It's still moving? Turning like that? What? I'm totally lost with the proto and what is happening on that planet.
We're here to end the shallows. I bet we'll see you again.
You know, a person with your training and skill set could make a lot of money.
I have a job.
She's not a mercenary for you or for anyone.
After what they did to you.
Don't. I said it that they were gonna try to use her skills.
I'm not a criminal. Mars is gonna need a lot more people like you.
Because of what? What is gonna happen on Mars? Why are you saying that? I know, too much questions. But he said that like something is gonna change on Mars.
On my signal, Kenan and Enzo open fire from the front. Flush them out the back.
Don't do that. Naomi?
Some people from Devar collapsed. We realized their bodies had not responded to the gravity drop. You don't go back up to well soon, you'll be dead. Just like them.
Naomi, she dreamed about that, about being on the ground. She's saying goodbye to one of her dreams, you know? If she's accepting that.
He's gonna clip the edge of the settlement, they're gonna get flattened.
The settlement is gonna be touched.
This might be the
Okay.
time to talk to him. No.
Ah! Tell us what it is! He's not responding to you?
Alex? Link me to the Ross's fire controls when you drop it.
Communication is broken, or really he has something else to do. I mean, the proto has something else to do than to communicate with all them.
Instinct is to destroy it?
Yeah, before it destroys us.
No, don't do that. We know that the
We
proto.
need something immensely powerful. If we still have time, we could go back to the settlement. We could evacuate.
Yes.
Torpedoes ready.
No, please. We know that when the proto civilization, the proto is feeling that we are attacking it, it's responding in a worst way, and it's not working. Don't. It worked? I'm surprised about that. Situation is gonna be worst. I don't know how, but something worse is gonna happen. What? That's not the proto. That's an execution. Arrest them, give them a trial, but don't execute them just like that. You're not the judge of everything, like Naomi said. He's gonna finish it.
This is your question.
Oh fuck, I don't like him. It's the end. Oh. I'm a little sorry and scared and not really accepting everything that happened during this episode for each characters. But I know how it's working, you know, with seasons, with shows. I know that we have to lose everything, or at least to not be in a good path, or to not be in a good health, or to not be well for finishing like that, you know, by succeeding. But right there, really, they are all doing stuff or living stuff that I can't agree with. Draper, she's helping that man by letting that door open, and the OPA stole that thing for doing what with it, and that can be an issue for her, you know, if the Martians are suspecting her or have proof that she did it, that's gonna be a big issue for her. And right there at the end, that man is saying that, okay, that's it, David is free and you don't have to work for us anymore, but maybe you're gonna want to work with us because you can make a lot of money and because we can use your skills for doing that, for doing stuff and missions like that. We know that she's missing that. We know that Draper is missing to be on missions and all of that. I don't want her to fall into that trap to do that. I love her so much for being loyal to her principles and values, you know, and her dream about Mars. I don't want her to have to do that. But you know, he said something like, Mars is gonna need you soon, people like you, and I have the impression that something is gonna happen into Mars. maybe it's a wrong impression. Maybe he was just saying that the world is gonna change, this universe is gonna change because of all of the gates. I was saying since the beginning all of the rings, and it's all of the gates. We have one ring and gates, but I'm confusing them. I'm saying one for the others each time. So yes, maybe he was just telling about this universe changing, the rules of this universe changing. Maybe he was just talking about that. We'll see. Naomi, she's not feeling well at all. She's taking that thing again and again. She's really pushing and pushing and pushing her limits, the limits of her corpse, of her art, and she doesn't seem to really, I was gonna say care about it, but maybe more to, she's not gonna stop, she's not gonna stop soon, and I'm really scared for that because of Holden not knowing the truth, not anyone on the Rossi except for Alex knowing the truth. I'm really afraid for her now. Amos is still Amos, and in fact he didn't, he didn't have a new friend, he's having a new enemy. It's more that, a new enemy to fight. It's really a western, filmed like a western, with the eye contact between them, taking the time to show us a eye contact between them with this atmosphere, this music, this light, that way of filming, the scene. And they are meeting in the saloon to talk about all of that. They are challenging each other, saying that they're gonna fight against each other. Yes, he's having an enemy, but a Western enemy. I don't like him. His enemy, not just because I love Amos and I'm of course on Amos' side, but also because I don't like him. I was gonna say he's crazy, but not. He's not crazy, he's dangerous. Because like Naomi said, he thinks that he has all of the powers in this land. Okay, he lost people. Okay, some of the people who were with him died, and okay, he wants to take revenge and all of that. That can be a reason for doing that, but that can't be an excuse for doing all of that and for acting like that and for thinking that you are the judge, the president, you are the sheriff of this town. He's really acting like he's the sheriff of this town, and no, you're not that person, and I don't like him. No. My rule, like normally, and particularly in this show, even when we have villain characters, I'm always like, okay, I can understand him or her, so I can't be fully hating him or her because I'm understanding her or his reasons. Right there, I'm understanding his reasons, but I don't like him at all, and I'm this close to hate him, really this close. We'll see if I'm gonna change my opinion in the future, but right now, not happening. That thing, what is it? The thunder? I'm not sure that it was a real thunder. I thought that it was something else, I don't know, but okay, that thunder really takes the time to travel to the other side of the planet, the exact other side of the planet, to what? To wake up that thing for going back. I was really surprised that they really destroyed it. I mean, okay, it's on a dead planet and it's something that was dead and that Holden woke up. For now, we can imagine that that thing was a machine built by the proto-civilization and before really even the time that humanity existed. But it's really the proto-civilization. So for me, you can't destroy something from the proto-civilization just like that and not having any consequence for that. I mean, when we attacked the proto-civilization during the past, during the last seasons, each time it responded in even a worst way, worst thing. So right there, it was really an impulsive move made by Alex and Holden, and for me we are gonna have consequences because of that. And he was trying to communicate with Miller and Miller didn't respond. Or maybe, no, in fact, maybe he was not trying, in fact, to really contact him, because we are seeing Holden like going to see Miller and like he's changing his mind, and in fact he's not communicating with him, because earlier in the episode he said to Alex, we can't trust Miller anymore. Maybe he was not even searching to communicate with Miller, and he made that decision on his own without consulting Miller or even trying to consult him. And Miller maybe is gonna be back during the next episode and he's gonna say to him, you fucking dumb stupid people, you did something wrong right there because we needed that thing to reach out the other thing. I don't know. That was interesting, the little discussion between Naomi and that family, that family of refugees, about that girl who wants to go to university and her parents didn't want her to go because they are now building a new society in this new terra, or Alice, you're naming it as you want. So that was interesting to see that of course building a new society on a new planet, it means that you are beginning with nothing, and because of your situation and because of how you landed into that planet, you can't go back, you can't send your child in university somewhere else. You have to build all, to build schools and after that universities. I'm so lost with the proto. Tell me if you were lost like me. If you didn't read the books, tell me if you were lost like me at the beginning of this season. Like, I saw 3 episodes of this season and they totally lost me. At the end of the 3 first seasons, I had the impression to understand some things about the proto, and right there with these new rules in this new universe, I have the impression to be totally lost and to begin again from zero. I don't know. I really don't know. I really don't understand. And every time that I'm making a series, I have the impression that the next episode is just telling me that I'm really stupid to make that kind of series, that I really didn't understand anything. Okay, I'm gonna stop right now so I can watch another episode, and I think that it's gonna be the last that I'm gonna see today. Tomorrow I think that I'm gonna have the time to watch just 2 episodes. I really don't know how and when I'm gonna finish this binge watching, and I want to finish it quick because I really don't want to have spoilers about it on Twitter or somewhere else. I know that I'm not gonna post all of the videos just like that for you. I planned it, and again I'm gonna put all of the dates, of my reaction videos about each episode of The Expanse in the description. So I know that I didn't plan to give all of the reaction videos of this show just in 1 week, so I know that I have time to edit the videos, but I want to binge watch it quick because I don't want to have spoilers. It's really something that I'm afraid of. So I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I'm really hoping that I'm not gonna see any spoilers before finishing my binge watching. And I planned also all of these dates to give you also the time to binge watch the show. I know that some of you are working and are working a lot, and maybe you just have the time to watch 1 episode every day, so I really also want to give you that time to watch all of the episodes on your own, and then I'm gonna begin to post videos about this show. And I think that it's also fair with the show to not post all of the reaction videos just in 1 day or 1 week, Okay, I'm gonna stop talking right now and I'm gonna watch the episode 3. It's gonna be in another day for you, or maybe even more in another week, and it's gonna be in just 10 minutes for me. So it's all for you for today, and it's all for me for now, so bye for now! Bye.
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
Crazy.